A very good afternoon to my fellow friends and also audiences who's been watching this video. So today on session, we are going to do a group discussion video, or we can call it as a role play, which will be covering about the industrial talk 2. This assignment has been assigned to us, which is BELR students. So in this video, we're gonna be covering about a discussion regarding the industrial talk 2. And also at the end of this video, we're gonna do a small reflection for each one of us. So without any further ado, let me pass the floor to Amirul Hadi.
My name is Muhammad Amirul Hadi. From this video, I learned about the basic of semiconductor, like how to make a semiconductor like PCB. And first, it made from sand, and it go to wafer of semiconductor and microcontroller, and at the last is PCB. The material of important in PCB is dust or particle, because it is micro, and for global mega trading is for benefit, and I have discovered of two benefit is demographic and social change. It is about trending now, and it's because about people preference, such as laptop, phone, and lifestyle. And second one is climate change and resource, because they at many home have a aircon, and it is for me. And for conclusion, I learned about how to make PCB board, and the benefit of PCB board in our life. Okay, next.
Okay, thank you, Amirul Hadi. So now, my name is Tilakram Analaki Selvaram. My matrix ID is B112310569. We'll be continuing for the overview of semiconductor. So first of all, I would agree everything from Mr. Hadi's point of view. So now let's see about how semiconductor has been integrating in our today's life. So the semiconductor industry has become an integral part of our daily life, influencing everything from the smartphone we carry to the sophisticated machinery that fuels our industry. Its impact on informational technology, which we call as IT, telecommunication, healthcare, and countless other sectors, is profound. The semiconductor has emerged as the silent force driving the relentless progress we witness in the digital age. In today's interconnected world, semiconductors serve as the building blocks of microprocessor, memory devices, sensors, allowing for the creation increasingly powerful, efficient electronic system. They have paved the way for the Internet of Things, which we call as IoT, where everyday objects are connected and communicate seamlessly. Your smartphone, smart home devices, wearable technology, and the backbone of digital infrastructure owe their existence to the remarkable capabilities of semiconductor. So looking ahead, the future of the semiconductor industry holds even more promise as we stand on the cusp of the fourth industrial revolution, characterized by the fusion of digital, physical, biological realms, and semiconductors will be linchpin. So let me pass this floor to the next speaker, which is Muhammad Hadi Firman. Thank you.
Thank you, Tilakram. My name is Muhammad Firman bin Mujahidin. My metric number is B1123105060. Okay, my point for this talk will be urbanization and digital transformation. There are some quite strong argument on energy efficiency, because people would like to say that nuclear technology is going to be better, but we are focusing on renewable energy sources such as wind, hydroelectric, solar, and much more. We also covered in the talk which are security. Security uses such as bank cards. Okay, we have to renew it every 5 years. And the one of it is the topic that Ram has mentioned is IoT. Okay, so semiconductor has changed our life since when it was made. And my conclusion to the point is technology is getting smarter and better to make our life easier, which can conclude urbanization will be much more less than a problem as we are right now. I will pass it to the next speaker. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Adif. Now I'm gonna talk about engineering mindset. One of the primary goals of engineering education is to promote development of an engineering mindset. And engineering mindset refers to the values, attitudes, and thinking skills associated with engineering. The engineers solve problem using systematic, iterative process. The uh, technologies they design address the needs and desire of people and environment. Engineering shape the world we live in, such as clean water, toothbrush, traffic pattern, smartphones, and many more. Through the product of engineering are diverse. Engineer approach their work as a common set of engineering practice. In conclusion, high quality engineering experiences that engage youth in this practice help them develop and strengthen an engineering mindset. Alright, now I'm gonna pass it to Adam.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Wafid bin Slemans. Now I will talk about interview tips and tricks. So the first thing you have to have is a good resume so you can get an interview. So what you have to have in your resume is a good contact information such as your phone number, email for the company to contact you. And then you have to have a relevant work experience. So example, you want to work in electrical field, so you have to have and relevant work experience regarding electrical field. And the other thing is, I think you have to have a very, very well organized and chronicle work experience, your study experience, and relevant technical skill is also important because in engineering field, you will need that technical skill. So for the interview, I think we need to be prepared to explain our resume to the interviewer. So you have to study about your own resume, and then you have to be prepared for any technical questions, such as they will be asking you about Ohm's law, Kirchhoff law, or any physics law that are relevant to your job scope. And then you also have to prepare for other questions, such as a quiz, a pop quiz that the interviewer will ask you. And then you will have to have a very, very good soft skill or social skill. So they will be more interested to invite you into their team. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
So thank you, Adam, for sharing your point of view. So from now we have seen the multiple points and also respective opinions from all over the floor. So now we'll be doing a conclusion or a reflection video towards the industrial talk that we have mentioned earlier. So now let me pass to Amirul Hadi to give his opinion about the conclusion or the reflection for the industrial talk.
Okay, for my conclusion is the semiconductor can move forward for this time to next time. And for automotive semiconductor is make many changes at now. And is because from this big semiconductor to small semiconductor just now. And it's all from me.
Thank you, Mr. Hadi. So from my point of view, I would like to say the semiconductor industry is not just about circuit and transistor. It's about the bedrock of our digital civilization. Its influence is woven into the fabric of our daily lives, from the mundane to the extraordinary. As we stand on the precipice of the future, where technology will be more potent and transformative than ever before, we acknowledge that the indispensable role that the semiconductors play in our shaping world. So embracing this era of innovation, let us eagerly anticipate the next wave of advancement that will undoubtedly redefine the limits of what is achievable. That's all I can conclude from the industrial talk 2. Let me pass it to Muhammad Hadi Fiman to hear his opinion. Thank you.
Thank you, Tilaram. In my opinion, I would like to conclude not about the semiconductor, but about the talk. It is important to have this kind of talk about this specific topic, which is semiconductor. A lot of people nowadays doesn't know what is semiconductor is and how does it affect our life, which is basically semiconductors everywhere, if you can see nowadays. 100 years back, people doesn't even know how to do this and that, but people nowadays just leave it very, very, very easily, just because the help of a sand, if you can say about that. Okay, so this talk is just basically it's very important, and I think in my conclusion is that there should be more talk like this about specific topics like this in the future. Thank you, and I'll pass it to Sharin.
All right, thank you, Adif. In my conclusion, the engineering mindset is a powerful force that can shape the world for the better. It embraces the challenge, collaborate, continuously learn, and promote diversity to everyone. Lastly, it makes an enduring impact and revolutionizes the future of technology and engineering. All right, now I'm gonna pass it to Adam.
So in my conclusion about interview tips, I think it is very important to be well prepared for your interview and have a very, very good resume, because you have to know what you aim for, what your goal is, what the company you dream of to work in, so that you can be well prepared for any question that the interviewer will ask you. I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Right, thank you, everyone.
Okay,
Thank
thank you,
you,
everyone.
everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.